Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Mondrian floor plan offers a variety of unique personalization options for you and your family. The base layout of the first floor includes a dining room, powder room, and a laundry room. Based on your family's needs, the multi-generational option allows you to convert this space into a private living area. Here's what it looks like with a bedroom suite. Full bath. Foyer with private entry. A lounge that includes a kitchenette and private access to a one-car garage. Now, let's take a look at the flexibility you have on the second floor. The base plan starts with 2 bedrooms, both with ensuite baths. One option is to add a loft with a 4th bedroom and full bath, gaining 665 additional square feet of living space. Instead of the loft, you can add a larger game room, which expands the home's living area by 980 square feet. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.